The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona is expected to launch at a starting price of around $60,000 in the United States, marking the bold return of an American icon with an all-electric future. Manufactured by Dodge, a division of Stellantis, the new Charger Daytona combines the muscle car spirit with advanced EV technology. This model will be powered by the revolutionary Banshee electric powertrain, offering instant torque and an estimated output of over 600 horsepower. It features Dodge's unique Erupt multi-speed transmission and Fratzonic chambered exhaust system that recreates the legendary muscle car roar. The design is aggressive yet futuristic, with a wide stance, illuminated front grille, and aerodynamic lines inspired by the classic Charger heritage. Inside, it offers a digital cockpit, performance-oriented displays, and premium materials that elevate the driving experience. With a range expected to exceed 300 miles per charge, the 2026 Charger Daytona stands ready to redefine American performance. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Incoming Cars for more car reviews, electric updates, and upcoming 2026 automotive launches.